here we are again. Welcome to Saturday. Yay! Saturday, I believe, is the 13th, is it? I'm not sure. I think it is. But welcome to another beautiful day of special offers around December. So what we got today then? Let me show you. What have we called it? We like to call it a kit. So what is the kit today? It's called Gift of Love. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. This might be a little bit challenging. The first gift of love is, let's open it out and show you. Oh, beautiful. A gorgeous, one of my beautiful handmade dream catchers from Bali. And you can see that these here are, of course, beautiful rose quartz. Absolutely beautiful spheres attached. And I've worked on these for a long time to put a lot of love into that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me put that away. I'll do that in a little bit. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second is these absolutely beautiful, brand new, these have just come in, high quality rose quartz, really beautiful. They actually are the shape of like cubes, so really beautiful, really gorgeous, really high quality. Then we have a beautiful rose quartz angel. Yeah! Beautiful rose quartz angel. And finally, to finish off, a beautiful piece of aura. Beautiful. Rose aura. Beautiful. So, all together, a beautiful kit of love. Makes complete sense. Isn't that beautiful? And please remember, guys, that if you make that purchase today, you shall also have one of these channeled gorgeous spheres coming to you free of charge. I shall channel which one I feel is right for you with your name. And yeah, one of these will be coming to you. Round 80 euros to 130. That's the value of these. So that's going to be free from my heart to yours if you make this purchase today. Isn't that lovely? Yay! Christmas!